Hey guys, I just want to talk about how I make $6,000 today trading ES and NQ, and I just saw a couple videos about different influencers losing today, and I think it's a chance for me to share my thoughts since I don't know how far I've gone in this trading journey, but I'm really excited to share my thoughts. So coming into the day, let's actually play back. I was extremely bearish since we are in a 4 hours bearish gap, and if you've been trading, you already know it's been extremely bearish for the price action. And then since we're in a bearish 4 hours gap, what I want to see is price continue going lower. What I was expecting before market open, I was already sitting here, but I wasn't looking into any trades since there are no manipulation. And if there are no manipulation, and I would not want to trade that since there's no significant SMT, because here NQ and ES both take out this high, so there's no significant SMT or manipulation that show which one is stronger and which one is weaker. So let's keep playing. And what I was looking at is 9:30 open low high, and I'm just waiting because there is news at 10 o'clock, high driver news, red folder, and I was just waiting. And what I noticed is NQ take out this high, but ES doesn't, which is from an SMT here. And I wasn't even looking into trade because right now it's 10:45, and I wasn't really looking into trades anything because there's news at 10 o'clock. And then let me go actually go to 1 minute. Let's keep watching. So I was watching, and then right here there's SMT. There's SMT to this low. Right now it's 10:56. And then what I'm looking at right now, right, is we have an internal buy program, and then I've drew the standard deviation now, which is a manipulation phase, and then we only hit the negative one, and then what I want to see is still -2 and reverse and form an actual manipulation. It just helped me to indicate where price is going to, and at the same time we already have a SMT on yes, which show me the weaker assets between these two. Oh, actually, sorry, stronger. For this one, it will be stronger on bearish. So I was actually looking for short on ES, but I gotta wait for 10 o'clock news open. And for NQ, it's gonna be my SMT helper. Let's see. And then right at 10 o'clock, what I was looking at is all of this internal liquidity. So all of this become what? Error, low resistance liquidity run, and it will come back to the gap. But what it means, it doesn't matter. What I want to see is I know this trade gonna be in and out because 10 o'clock news open, 10 o'clock open, and I would just want to see either open low, high close, or open high, low close with the volatility it provides at 10 o'clock. And then I go to 30-second today. As soon as it sweep all of this internal low, and then I was waiting for a 60, which happens here. Or you could call it here, doesn't really matter. 60, and I was looking at 15-second and 30-second chart, and I enter here super low risk. I just put it here, and I had only 3 contract instead of going full size. And let's see, so this trade only took me 1 minute to hit draw, and then I made over $500, I believe. And let me show you guys the execution. So you can see right here I have 4 accounts, and then this is my execution at 10 o'clock 37 second. I enter 3 contract, 1 plus 2, so 3 contract in total, and I exit. I took out 2 contract out right at the number 2 on the standard deviation, and I left one runner in case it wanna keep going higher expansion. I didn't know, and I just left one, and then stop loss at break even. So this trade make me $310. So this is the first trade idea, and then let's keep playing, and then we can see the SMT still valid for higher time frame. This is the 8 o'clock high. We're in a 4 hour bearish gap, so what I want to see is bearish. My bias is super bearish, and I was just waiting for manipulation to the upside, then I can start looking for shorts. And what I need to see is manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and then expansion. And most of the times, new trader coming into the market, there are too many noises, and you will be mistakenly seeing different price action as a manipulation. What I would call, I want to see the real manipulation, where time and price actually align. And in this case, 9:30 doesn't give me a real indication for real manipulation. And I want to see 10 o'clock, what it's gonna do with high volatility. And I wait till 10 o'clock, I make the first long on Nasdaq, which make me over 300 in less than a minute. And let's keep playing. And SMT still holding, internal get taken out on ES. I'll call it turtle soup. As soon as we have the 60 on ES, we call it this one, 60. I was waiting to get into short, and what I want to do is most of the time when price is super bearish or super bullish, when price is very volatile, sometimes it wouldn't do certain things. It would touch the first gap and just keep shooting down or shooting up, right? And I love to build a pyramid on my entry. What I did today is when it hit the 50% of the range, I end the first contract, and I want to see on a low time frame when there's a sell side program, I add more. So what I did today is I enter short here, and then stop loss at this high when there's IFEG here, and then stop loss just above this high, and then same target, only one contract in, and then later on we hit here, gap 60 whatever, and we have a sell program right here, 60, and then it's just accumulating. Let's go back, actually go back to 1 minute and see. So we hit the 50% of the range. I have one contract in, and we have 60. We also in a fair value gap. That's a displacement, and then as soon as over here we have a 60, and we are just chopping here. And remember, my original stop loss is here. And then when there's accumulation, there's a gap here, and then I see this turtle soup setup, I enter more contract. I enter 2 more contract, and then I put my stop loss at the turtle soup high immediately. And then I just let it run to where? To we have an Asia low here, and the standard deviation show me the negative 1 because I love to just take internal. I don't like to sit long on the chart. And let me see right here. So I'm going to draw the standard deviation again. Right. This is the manipulation leg, 10 o'clock. And then we have the standard deviation here. And I took all of my position out here, and I can show you guys the execution. Where is? Yes, free contract. And yep, that's how I make over $6,000 today across 4 accounts on TopStep. And I hope you guys learn something out of this trade. And in the future, I'm probably gonna make more videos doing trade recap. And I honestly don't know how profitable I am, but I've been seeing consistent results over my trading journey, and I actually wanna, teach more people. And I actually have a Discord where I'm teaching 4 of my friends right now. They copy trading and learning from me, and I just wanna share my thoughts over today's trade. And thank you for watching.